Pittsburgh Drafts Innovation selects Colin Bueller, founder of Optimus Technologies. Optimus has innovated, patented, tested, and perfected a suite of products so fleets can successfully operate using biodiesel.
Optimus is ready for the big leagues because we did our early pilots with customers and they kept buying. So we did our early validation, proved the technology, and we're scaling up. For a championship season for us, we're looking to expand into new markets, particularly public transit. So we've got some validations going right now with some public transit agencies, and continuing to scale and grow that market. It's going to be a winning season for us. I'd say my leadership style is definitely player coach. On a small team, you got to get in, you got to get your hands dirty, but you also have to provide the strategy, the vision, and let everybody know where we're trying to get to. The biggest challenge that we've had to overcome pertains to just the idea of what our customers do. And convincing the market to take a bet on a new technology has probably been the largest single hurdle we've had to overcome.